Let's begin with a shaking exercise called dropping the wooden post. We'll bring our feet together and begin to tap the heels lightly on the floor, keeping the body straight, tall and long, to help transmit that vibrating from the heels up through the whole skeleton, all the way to the crown of the head. Feel free to breathe in the nose and out the mouth on this one. Vibrating the body to loosen up anywhere we have stagnation. Then we'll lift on the heels, lifting the arms, and drop and tap. Lifting up, drop the hands by your sides, tap the heels 4 or 5 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop your arms so they slap the sides of your legs. Stepping out about shoulder width. We're going to turn to one side, lifting the opposite heel. As we turn back to the center, we'll stomp the heel into the floor. As we turn to the side, we bring one hand across the front of the body, one hand behind. As we turn back to the center, we whip the hands out to the sides. Imagine you're flicking water off the fingertips, and time it so that as you stomp the heel, the fingers flick at the same time, causing a whole body vibration from the foot and fingertips throughout the body. You can inhale as you wind up, and exhale out the mouth as you whip. Then lifting up the heels again, lifting light fists over the head, and as you stomp the heels onto the floor, flick the fingers, again, like you're flicking water off the fingertips. Inhale as you come up, exhale out the mouth as you drop. In Qigong, we use vibration when we want to dissolve and clear stuck energy, whether it's tension in the body, stuck emotional patterns, or even stuck patterns of thinking that in Qigong we consider to be connected to the body through the meridians. Then begin to shake the body, keeping the heels on the floor. This shaking we do a little more loose and relaxed than the first one. So allow your body to relax, allow your head to nod, your wrists to flop, your shoulders to bounce up and down, your tailbone to bounce up and down, and your whole body to relax. You can breathe in your nose and out your mouth as you shake. Long sighing breaths out the mouth, releasing tension through the body and mind. And slow it down, pause, feel your body. We're going to find an exercise called the Stork spreads its feathers. Bring your palms forward, circle in front, and then pull down through your fingertips with the back of the hands face forward. Just stretch down the back of the arms. And then we're going to lean the head to one side and nod the head slowly over one shoulder, stretching from the back of the hand all the way up to the side of the neck. We use a slow moving stretch in Qigong. Roll to the other side to clear tension from the muscles, clear stagnation from the meridians, clear our patterns of stress held in the body. Let's release to the center and find the other side. Spiraling behind ourselves now and turning the palms out as we stretch down the arms. Palms turn behind, spiral, and palms are turned out with the fingers pulling down. Lean the head to one side and nod over the shoulder. Inhaling back, exhaling forward. Roll to the other side. And release, shake it out. And bringing the heels together with the toes pointing out, palms face up by the lower abdomen. This is the crane posture. We'll first find some soft, natural breaths through the nose. Lift through your crown, sink your tailbone, soften your knees here. Standing posture makes space for the mind to fill the body. Standing meditation. Watching the breath through the nose. And then inhale up to the sternum and exhale back down to the lower abdomen. Breathing all through the nose from here on. Inhale sternum, exhale lower abdomen. Moving the chi between the chest and the lower dantian. Float your hands out to the sides. Inhale up to shoulder height. And exhale floating down. Your arms moving like the wings of a crane. Elbows and wrists lifting up. And then elbows and wrists dropping down. Slow breaths through the nose. Effortless, expansive quality as you begin to move with breath, move with energy. Back to the crane standing position. Noticing your breathing. And stepping back with one foot. Floating the hands up in front of you and then opening the arms. Floating hands back together and down by your sides. We inhale, shifting the weight forward into the front leg. Exhale, shift your weight slightly back into the back leg. Inhale, shifting forward, opening the chest, expanding the heart energy. Exhale, shifting back, sinking and calming the heart energy. As you open, you might feel a receptivity, a joyfulness, an openness in your heart, in your mind and spirit. As you exhale down, feeling a calmness, a groundedness, as the hands help to sink the chi towards the earth. We'll switch feet. Other foot forward. Inhale, lift and open. Weight forward. Exhale, come together and close. Weight back. Inhale, expansive, receptive energy. Exhale, grounded energy. Pulsing between that yin and yang. Then stepping back, placing the hands palms face up under the lower dantian, under the lower abdomen. And circle one hand out to the side and draw down the center line. This one is called centering. Inhale as you circle and exhale down the center line. Inhale, circle. Exhale down the center. Gathering our attention, energy, and power that's been scattered and bringing it back to our center. Great sage Lao Tzu said, at the center of your being, you know who you are and what you want. So come back to your center. Remember who you are. Pause with one hand by the heart, one hand under the dantian, the Taoist prayer position. And feel that centeredness affecting your heart, creating stillness and calm within. And step your feet together, fold your hands over the lower abdomen. Relax into this final position we call the bamboo in the wind. You might imagine yourself today like a palm tree swaying in the gentle breeze by the ocean. Rocking and swaying as we relax into the flow. Just allowing that swaying by softening throughout your body. And stepping back out, circling your belly clockwise, take a couple deep breaths. Centering the energy in our reservoir we call the lower dantian. Take a breath in, and release your practice with a sigh. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you feel refreshed and renewed. Now you take that energy into your day or evening. Thanks for joining. I'm Nick Laughery. Feel free to subscribe to my channel to find more content like this, or to head to my website, nicklaughery.com, where you can become certified to teach Qigong, Daoyin, or Tai Chi, or attend retreats around the world for personal healing and growth. Thank you.